Hi guys, welcome to another video of Straps Dogs Back. This is a very special occasion. If the Ivano monster could be so kind to take over the camera for me, so you know I'm in the screen. As you can hear outside, terror is going on. And it's been a freaking long while. Wow, the rain is coming in, Ivan. There's thunder going on, there is hardcore rain going on. Wanted to take this opportunity to, record it all. And I'm gonna run in the rain. I hope you guys will enjoy this view as long as can, because I can feel the rain coming in so hardcore.
He must be crazy. He must be, he is. Like a kid in a playground.
This is awesome! It's going even harder! That's funny.
Go strip before you come into my house.
I can edit. For all the people who want to see this.
Oh my god.
My t-shirt makes really weird noises.
Beans.
Why did I do this? I don't have long hair.
Just to dry yourself.
That's smart too.
Because there's a towel in the dryer. Oh yay. You have to censor that.
So guys, I hope you kind of like that. I almost died for your regard. Really felt like refreshing and stuff. My goodness gracious. I think I have a better view recording this. All joking aside, it is really refreshing going outside right now. If it wasn't too dangerous, I would have still been outside because it is just seriously refreshing.